Z104 Drone Operation Tutorial. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light always on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connecting the remote control. Connect to power supply. Indicator light is always on when charging. Pre-flight preparation. Unfolding the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Install the obstacle avoidance module. Press and hold to power on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. One button to calibrate the gyroscope. Unlock the drone with the outer 8 lever. Push the left stick up to take off. One button to take off. Up. Down. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching. 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Short press to turn on obstacle avoidance mode. Turn on headless mode. The drone will take the direction of the remote control as the backward direction. Exit headless mode. Motorized camera adjustment. One button to land. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Press the back button. Select file. You can view the saved photos and videos. Press the back button to return to the picture transfer screen. Replace the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws to remove the air blades. Pay attention to the differentiation of AB marking. Install the corresponding fan blade. Protective frame installation. Align the protective frame with the arm clips and install it. Install the for protection brackets in turn. Connecting the app. You need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the instruction manual to download the corresponding app according to your cell phone system. Connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.